Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today we're gonna look into see how we could make a plain dal, a simple and easy way that you could make for your lunch or for dinner. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So here we are gonna take 100 grams of Toor Dal, or it's also known as broken pigeon peas. So we actually wash this Toor Dal 3 to 4 times, and then we add 2 tomatoes to it, medium size, and we had 4 to 5 pods of garlic to it, and we cook it in a pressure cooker. When you're cooking it in a pressure cooker, make sure that you add thrice the quantity of water to the dal that you're using. So here I'm using 100 grams of dal, that may be almost half of this particular container. So I'm going to use thrice that amount to cook it in a pressure cooker. Now I have pressure cooked the dal for 3 to 4 whistles, and have smashed the dal along with the tomatoes and the garlic. So I've not added any salt or any other ingredients. It's only going to be the 3 ingredients that I showed you: the tomatoes, the garlic, and the Toor Dal. Now we're going to look at the ingredients for seasoning the dal. So I have taken 1 medium onion and I have chopped it, curry leaves 2 strips, and I have taken dry chilies 6 to 7 numbers. So what I'm going to do with the dry chilies is I'm going to break it in my hand. Just break it like this. Mustard 1 teaspoon, jeera or cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black gram 1 teaspoon. I have taken salt for taste, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. So we're going to look into see how we season the dal now. I've taken a medium pot here and I've lit up the stove. So, and I'm using 50 ml of oil, refined oil. While you're seasoning, one thing to remember: make sure that the heat is low, or you put your stove in slim, because if in case the heat is high, then you may actually roast up your ingredients. We add the black gram or the urad dal. Then goes the mustard, jeera or cumin seed. Wait for the mustard to burst. Once the mustard starts bursting, I'm just adding up the curry leaves. Then the chopped onions. At this point you can actually increase the flame, because the onion is going to take some time to cook. Once the onion turns from glossy to brown, we add the red chilies that we have kept aside. Add the turmeric powder. And the salt. At this point we add 1 cup of water. Allow it to boil a little bit. Once this has come to a boil, we add the hing powder or the asafoetida, and the sambar powder. These sambar powders are readily available. Now that's come to a boil, I'll add the dal. We add some more water at this point of time. Now that the dal's come to a boil, we'll switch off the stove and we'll plate it.